Hello everyone, let's talk about SEO keyword generator. Let's build an agent that will generate SEO keywords based on the given topic. We will be building SEO keyword generator using AI agents. Okay. For AI agents, we will be using what? aiXplain.com. So aiXplain is kind of platform where you can build, benchmark, fine-tune, design, and discover different models very easy and quickly. So for example, I'm right now on aiXplain dashboard using this model ID easily fine-tune for our data. How we can fine-tune the model for our database, for our dataset. If you go to documentation, few tutorials, and also fine-tuning the model on your data. Take an example, this one. Build a question answering chatbot. First step, uploading data. You prepare the data, for example, it's on the S3 Amazon bucket, so put your URL and get the data, your uploaded data, save this data and locally, and then we can define the metadata for our dataset and then upload the dataset to aiXplain to fine-tune, index the data and call the model by ID, for example this, and then basically start the fine-tuning process. You can basically see the model is fine-tuned, and then we can just try it out and test it, ask the questions, and etc. For example, there are another tutorial built on agentic RAG based on the vector database. So for today's tutorial, we will be using the aiXplain as our AI agent, and then we got the topic from user. Then we call AI agent to list the keywords. That's it. Yep. That's it. Also, let's quickly validate the input, like for example max 100 words or etc. So what else? We will be building using Gradio, Python. What is Gradio? It's kind of framework where you can build your machine learning applications very quickly and very easy, and your favorite programming language using Python. So the very first thing, import the libraries Gradio, aiXplain, and .env to load the environment variables from .env. And the second step, system prompt, that we're going to pass every time to the model to generate this SEO keywords. With the find function, generate keywords and pass API key and the topic, and then we initialize the agent with ID. This is a GPT-4o where you can get this ID. I already mentioned. You can check you can create an account, and then if you go to discover in the models, you can find any model. For example, let's take GPT-4o, and here is the ID. You can just click this and it's copied. You go back to VS Code and just put it here. You are using GPT-4o. We should validate the input. Okay, then we call the agent and run. We got a list of keywords, and then basically we will return them. We should create a Gradio interface, user interface. We will be creating the basic interface. For example, We will be creating basic interface. Let's assume this is our Gradio application, and on the left side there will be input for API key, and then input for topic, and then let me write this. Oops. Okay, API key, and then here topic, and then basically here is a generation. I mean the generated keywords. Keywords. Yep, and then also let's put some examples. Example topics, and we will list example topics here. For example, some text here, and then some text here, and some text here, and some text here. So it will be clickable, so user can basically click on it and then try it out. So basically this is our interface. There's a text box for this API key, text box for user input, I mean the topic, and then text box for output to generate SEO keywords. This is a title that will be placed on the very top, and the description after this title in Gradio application, and examples that will be placed after the text boxes. We can also pass the theme, for example, soft run application demo.launch. Let's try it out. Python.3. Yep. Now it's running. We can check the application from here. Click this, it will open the Gradio application. Here we go. We have the same UI that we just talked about. How to create interactive demos using AI agents. Put your API key and then click submit. Okay, here we go. There's a generated SEO keywords. For example, AI driven demo creation, building interactive demos with AI, creating demos with AI technology, demo design tips, and etc. So we can improve this. Basically, we can here define the tool that searches for the web or send this request for external API and fetches all the high volume keywords based on the specific topic and then returns in a natural language. And also we can specify not topic but some text, just the text. For example, user input was like this, something, and then put it here. It's not topic, so we can specify another agent more simpler to validate the input, find the topic that fits this full idea, and then sends this topic to another agent, and then this agent will use some tool or external APIs to generate the SEO keywords. In this way we can make it more complex, better and better. So that's it for today. I will share this brainstorming in the description below. See ya.